Hi guys, welcome back to Gen Stories. If you are watching me for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button so that you get to see a lot more of me. I am Jen and I share stories of my life. And in today's story, I am going to talk to you about a recipe which is so quick, you can make it in a jiffy. It is going to be loved by you and everyone in your family or whoever you feed it to. So, without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Okay, so firstly, a little background on what I'm doing today. So, last week I went to the grocery store to buy some fresh fruits and vegetables, and that is when I saw some cute little red cherry tomatoes lying on the shelf, and I was smitten at the first glance and I just wanted to buy it. I was like, I need to buy this because I love cherry tomatoes. Not that I have them frequently, so I hardly eat them, but whenever I see them, I cannot resist. So it's not very frequent that I get to see those lying in the shelf here where I stay. So I do not really get them as frequently as I would like to. So that is why any chance that I get, I usually grab it. Okay, so when I saw some cherry tomatoes, I was like, the first thing that came into my mind was I'm going to make something special out of it, and something that is very, very, very quick, because at this stage of the pandemic that we are in, we are so exhausted with all the cooking and all the extracurriculars that we just want something that's quick, easy, and basically gets done in just 5 to 10 minutes, so that we can sit with that prepared item and just Netflix and chill, right? So that's the truth, we all want that. So honoring that choice or honoring that lifestyle that we all crave for, I decided to cook some cherry tomatoes in butter garlic sauce. As I said, that I wanted something that is done in a jiffy. So I don't know how, but the first idea that I got on my mind was cherry tomatoes and butter garlic sauce. So basically, you would have guessed by the name that butter garlic sauce is something I love, and one dish that comes to your mind when you say butter garlic sauce is prawns. Okay, so prawns and butter garlic sauce is a very famous dish which almost all of us do order and also cook at home. So I thought, why not make this a little veg and a lot more similar. So that is why when I came back home, I just made it and it came out to be perfect. So I thought I share a lot of my stories. So this is also one of my stories, and it also deserves to be here on YouTube with all of you. So that is why I'm sharing the story with you today. A little different. I do not usually share food and recipes and all of that because it's not very regular in my life. This is not a regular part of my story, life story. Okay, so and whatever I cook or whatever I eat or whatever I make is something that's there already, and I do not do a lot of my innovations. So I don't want to share something which is copied or something that's already there. Why not give credit to the original worker who's already there? Okay, so in case I do something that's my style or my way or something that I haven't taken from anybody else, then that is what I share, which is something like this. Okay, I only share what is authentic, what is my experience, and what is truly genuine. So yeah, so what I did was, the recipe is very simple. I mean, it's it's nothing basically. It's just what the name suggests. You just have to put it in a particular order. That's it. So firstly, you just wash the tomatoes properly because you just bought it from outside. Once you wash it, you let it dry, and once they have dried up, you heat some butter in a pan. Okay, some fresh salted butter or unsalted, however you want it, and you just heat them in a pan over slow heat. Don't make it too high on flame because that would burn the butter. Just keep it slow. Okay, on slow flame you just let the butter melt, and while it's melting you add in some garlic, either freshly chopped garlic, which is preferred for sure because the fresh aroma is something different and you do not really get it in something that's not fresh. But in case you do not have it like me, then you can opt for some garlic powder. Okay, just add some garlic powder into the butter. Add some onion flakes. Do not add onion, the original onion chopped, sliced, something like that. Don't do that, please. Just add some onion powder or onion flakes, toasted onion flakes if you have them, otherwise just omit this. And that's it. Some salt if you want that salt. And what else? That's it. And if you want some chili flakes too. Okay, that's it. And then add those tomatoes which you washed and dried. Just add that into the mixture, into the butter garlic mixture which is there, which is on the low flame, and let it all crackle and mix and just become a divine combination. Okay, just stir it a little bit, not much, just a bit, and then just give it 2 to 3 minutes while it all absorbs. And that's it. Turn off the flame, pour it into whichever plate or however you want to eat it, and then just sprinkle some additional either basil or some garlic powder, peri peri, chili flakes, toasted onion flakes, whatever you want. Just add some on top and eat it. You can serve it with some toast, garlic bread, Monaco biscuits like I did, or just eat it like that. Pasta, spaghetti, whatever you want to. It is an absolutely amazing way to savor the cherry tomatoes. You can also eat those tomatoes just like that without putting it in butter garlic sauce and all of that. But if you want to do something different, then this is my idea of different for you. So guys, that is all that is there in this recipe. It's a very quick one, like I said, but it's going to be amazing because it's a very delicious recipe. Just try to make sure that you eat it while it's hot, while it's warm or hot. Don't let it cool down, because then that taste usually goes away. Okay, that fresh buttery garlicky taste that you would want to savor, you might miss out on that if you let it get too cold. Okay, so try to eat it while it's hot so that you get full benefits out of what you just cooked. That's it. And if you like this video, then please do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, do comment below and tell me you liked it or you didn't. However, whatever your feedback is, it's always welcome. And stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with another video in just a short while. So I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care and I love you all.